Anak, ang dami-dami mong lilinisan. Yan pa talaga. Why in there? That's a rock. Wow.
Casey, boy. What, he hit himself in the head? Oh.
Ano? Ito like ito.
Good job, son.
Go na, cleaning ka. Sweep the floor.
Good job, son. There you go. Well, folks, I couldn't figure out why 4th G kept getting marker on the back of his neck right here. And we finally figured out why he gets marker on the back of his neck. He puts it behind his head. There you go. And that's why he gets marker on the back of his neck. The mystery is solved.
Sino magsulat? Ikaw? Wow, good job. Di baliin mo yung pen ni Papa. Lakad yun. Bawa pa naman sa
Baby, you are one hot mama, baby. My goodness. And I will follow him wherever he may go. Folks, got some drama going down.
Oh my
Got
God.
so much drama in the LBC. They're fighting out on the street, but what's funny is that the ate got a face mask and a face shield. Kuya left. He didn't have no mask and no face shield. She must have knocked it off his head. But that ate, she was a thick woman too. But she had that damn mask and that face shield on, whooping that ass.
Subscribe the Kalo Chismoso, the best chismoso
Hey.
in the world.
Fucking drama, you know? Drama's what keeps us alive. We'll do a whole video talking about that. Or could give you a heart attack, fucking ulcers, I don't know. I think it's what keeps us alive. These ladies say, oh, you're so chismosa. Meanwhile, the whole time they've been over here stretching their necks, trying to see what's going on. You know you have. And you're gonna tell me? You're gonna tell me that I'm chismosa?
What happened like that?
Maybe I don't. I think they're back to fighting in the front yard now. Let me go around the front. All right, folks, going for a little walk. Down Barrio Barretto. It's on Easter Sunday, so there's not much happening. Not much going on at all. Kind of a quiet day. Everybody's at family's house, eating and breaking bread. I figured I'd just get out, stretch out my legs, just get a little bit of exercise. Ooh, look at that Victory liner. Now, that one said cargo. I get excited when I see buses, I really do. Man, shout out to Shan Bowley's Pizza over there. Last night we got some Shan Bowley's pizza and lasagna and garlic bread. and it was absolutely delicious. Actually ate the lasagna this morning, it's leftover. Went out last night, folks. I went out last night, kicked it out for a little while, me and Jason. Shout out to you, buddy. Thanks for taking care of me, man. I know I get a little crazy. We went out last night, kicked it out, represented the dog pound and some nighttime activities. The motorcycle gang rolling through. We got the ambulance rolling strong. Shout out to my ladies over at Jones Bar, right next to 7-Eleven. One of my little hole-in-the-wall spots I like to go to. It's a fun little place. Everybody in there is friendly as could be. Got some vidjoki going on in there, so if you're a little bit shy about singing vidjoki or learning to do vidjoki, you can go in there. Basically, just a bunch of friendly girls, maybe a couple other customers doing the same thing with the vidjoki. Check out that. I like that owner type pickup style. Folks, these poor trike drivers over here, you know, they still not getting hardly any business. And then when you walk down the street as a foreign guy, they're swarming you. They're just praying that you'll jump in and ride with them. We got to get these. We got to get this airport open back up. Hopefully, this madness will end here in the near future, so I don't have to wear this fucking chin warmer / ear stretcher. Look like a fucking idiot. Well, you put that face shield on, you really look like a fucking idiot. I can't even wear that face shield. Fucking so goddamn hot out here. I mean, imagine being in the tropics in this heat. Being in the tropics in the heat, and wearing a fucking chin warmer and a damn face shield like you're weed eating the lawn. It's a fucking nightmare. Look up at Cheap Charlie's. I don't know if they're open yet. There ain't no customers up there now. I don't even know if they're open. It's Easter Sunday. Look at the hot zone. And Barcelona. I told the ladies I might go get me a drink while I'm on my walk, and they were like, no. They know me. I can't just have one. I'm not one of them guys that just has one drink and calls it a date. There you go, Barcelona. Looks like they may be opening up here shortly. Central Park Reef. Looks like it's still closed. I don't know. They need to open that property up. Cheap Charlie's Bar. Alright, I gotta hit the sauna. When I say the sauna, this thing is a sauna. I'm about to lose 1 kilo of water weight here in the sauna. Alright, folks. This ATM machine here, there's like several of them here in Barretto. But just a quick tip. It's gonna pop up, it's gonna say continue without conversion or continue with conversion. If you click the conversion, it's gonna rip you for about 20 bucks. Just always click the left one. And for me, this is the same exchange rate as any of the others, and you can actually see your card right here. And they have put a fan in here. They put a fan up in here, but I'm still sweating. This is a sauna. Whew. If that's 15 more minutes, I really would have lost some weight. I gotta get out of here. Go to this thing in the morning, not in the afternoon when the sun's been beating down on it. All right, so now this is the dilemma. When I get a tune out of one of them trombones, I'm so tempted to head to the bar. But I better not. The ladies gotta go get some vegetables. They wanna go to Fresh Options, hit Divvy Mart. They wanna do all that shopping activity. Goodness. Wow. Beautiful lady. If that's somebody's lady, no disrespect intended, she's just beautiful. Yeah, I better not hit the bar. Because if I do, I'm not gonna make it back. We ain't got no groceries. Got a brand new ref, but we're out of groceries. Now whoop a U-turn in the middle of the road. I mean, guess there's an easier way, safer way to turn around. They'll be parked here facing that way. Just whoop a U-turn across all this madness. I don't take risks like that. Matter of fact, I don't even take none of them risks. I don't drive no cars. Let me show you what I'm working with, my equipment for today. My blue suede shoes. Ooh. C-Zone liquor store is open. Okay, so I told him I wouldn't go to the bar, but I see Stella Artois coming with me. Hello, how are you? How much is the Stella Artois? Hey, puppy dog. Stella. Hello, Briley. Hey, puppy. Yeah, you're a cute puppy dog. Well, folks, here's a look around my buddy's liquor store here, and he's a subscriber. And I forgot I'd done a video here before the lockdown. But if you're looking for, he's got Corona beer. He's got Corona beer and Stella Artois, and the Stellas are 110 pesos. You know, wine and all the liquors. And it's C-Zone, right across from these two bars, Cocoa Lips and Bar 50/50. Yeah, packaging them bad boys up. I don't have to take a trike back. Just gonna throw it over my shoulder and roll. Got me 20 Stellas. All right, folks, so I went hunting for Easter eggs and I found some 20 Stellas. The ladies are gonna be pissed. They just took about a couple thousand pesos out of their shopping budget. But you know what? They always try to tax me. Hey girl, how are you? The ladies that love me. All of them want to kill me, but they still love me. A little velvet touch going on. Like hanging out in the velvet touch, but I haven't been there in a while. Yeah, so they'll be a little upset with me, but hey, I look at it like this. As long as I bring the beer home and drink it at home, I'm not hurting nobody. They can complain all they want to. They're a little pissed off about last night, but they'll get over that. But I got me a box of beer, and I'm happy. I just talked to my buddy. Again, shout out to you. There's no indication here, folks, that any liquor ban is coming, any lockdown is coming. You know, look, nobody can predict what happens over here. You never can. It changes by the day, by the hour. When I moved to Angeles City over there, it was wide open. You know, first night we went out, went to Keela Reef, hit a few bars, and then next thing you know, you can't even buy a beer in Angeles City. So I can just tell you what the word on the street is at the moment, but it is subject to change at any moment. But right now, nobody's talking about a lockdown, no liquor ban, none of that crazy ass shit over here in Barretto. But again, don't trust it. Anytime you see your favorite beer in stock, buy every bottle you can buy. Every time you go out, you got to get ahead of the curve here. Ahead of the madness curve. Whew, shit getting heavy. I'm going outside, baby, it's hot. Plus, these ladies are hassling me because they say they claim that they need new bras. Now, Janice said there's a difference between a need and a want, which there is. And she said we need a bra.
I need. That's the main. That's a different way. I need because we don't have now. Oh.
Okay.
I want because I gusto ko yan. That's a different.
Okay, here we go. All right, here's my need and my want. Okay. I need for you ladies not to wear bras. And I want to see them All natural brown.
What your ladies, maybe showing their own. You keep saying that. Eh.
Baby, it's just the.
If you not give me to buy a bra, someone telling you you're bastard, Marcos. Why you not authorizing me to buy?
But listen, listen. If we weren't on YouTube, there's no need for bras, okay? But since we're on YouTube, ladies, we just have to cover up the nipples, okay? So I think that a small piece of tape over the nipples.
Oh, then after that, I have a cancer? No way.
Tape on a nipple gives you cancer?
Why you not put the tape in your nipple in your,
All right, so how much you need for a new bra? 100 pesos?
3,000.
$2?
3,000. 200 plus. 3,000 na, kinuha mo na. 500 lang yung ano na. 5,000 lang yung ano.
All right, so 200 for the both of you, so 100 each.
Because look your wallet. Oh, you don't have money in your wallet. We get all. But
Folks, you see the stress I'm under, been hassling me.
last night, last night, you have last night. I found, I look you everywhere in Barretto. One only bar I found you.
What bar did you find me at, baby?
Jones. You have a lady yung sabi niya, will you marry me? Will you marry me? Sabi ko talaga kay Jason, I told to kay Jason, wow, kala mo dali na.
Folks, and just like that, there's silence. All I hear is some birds chirping, maybe a rooster in the distance. When those two Filipinos leave, it gets so quiet here that it's like something's wrong. I'm like looking around like, what's going on? I'm on Forest G Patrol. He's taking his nap. He takes a little afternoon nap. Got his schedule really out of whack when we went to Angeli's. Just couldn't get him on a comfortable schedule. But since we moved into the new crib here, oh man, he loves it. Got plenty of room to play. Chills out in the hot tub. Got him on a great schedule. And so he takes a little nap in the afternoon, and he's sleeping all night, not screaming like he was over there. He just, I guess with kids, you move them around, get them out of their routine, out of their environment. It takes them a while to adjust, but I'm enjoying the peace and quiet. And my roosters. Peace and quiet of the outdoors. The hell is that?